Africa Media Live TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel to get updated on the trending gist, latest news all over the world. Like our page, subscribe, and share with friends. Thank you.
The proceedings of today,
Your name first.
David Fadile. David Fadile. The reason why I'm granting this press interview is with respect to one prime boy. Now, the proceedings of today, since we commenced this proceeding, there has been this allegation that there was a fight between Mohbad and prime boy, and it will be in tandem with justice if prime boy is invited to come and tell his own side of the story. So we appeal to the magistrate, the presiding magistrate, to issue a witness summons inviting prime boys to come and give evidence. I did that on his behalf. It will not be neater to proceed with the evidence of the pathologist without hearing from prime boy. So wherever prime boy is, please let him contact me, because I made that application on his behalf. That has been evidenced by the wife that he had a fight with Mohbad on September 10. The younger brother, Adura, also confirmed that today. And the DJ also confirmed that. So about 3 personalities mentioned his name in respect to the inquisition going on at the court. So please, I have made that application on behalf of Prime Boy. I don't know him, but I listened to his interview where he said he never had a fight with Mohbad. I listened to his interview that he granted with TVC. It was that interview that prompted this application. So wherever Prime Boy is, himself, his lawyer, let them contact me. I gave an undertaking that he will come. Let him come and tell us what he knows about the death of Mohbad. Thank you very much. Any other question?
Your name.
My name is David Fadile. David Fadile.
Point any finger to her. Get my point. Everybody who has come to say something useful before a coroner inquest, the court will take whatever you say and will make use of it. By the time the court is submitting its conclusion, the police will take it, the state will take it through the police, and they will make use of it. So when they are making use of it, whatever implication it has, everything summed together will be unraveled. That's the essence.
All right. Thank you so very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you so very
Hope
much.
you are good.
We are good. Nice meeting you.
Africa Media Live TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel to get updated on the trending gist, latest news all over the world. Like our page, subscribe, and share with friends. Thank you.